the drying onions, we've got the chilli sauce, we've even got some soup.
เลขที่4 3 2 4ซึ่งเดินทางจากสถานีมหาชัยปลายทางสถานีวงเวียนใหญ่
Got the drying onions, we've got the chilli sauce, we've even got some soup. Let's dig in. Alright mate, pineapple and passion fruit smoothie. All up this cost us 130 baht, so $6 for the lot. The wharf wobbles with the waves. I nearly went in. That would have been a rather irksome mess, let me tell you.
ทำดีทำดีพนมมือด้วยพนมมือด้วยโอเคดีฮะ
What do you reckon? Walk worth doing?
Definitely.
So that was Talat Phlu, everybody. Trains to street food to canal life and to massive Buddha images. There's a lot of stuff over on this side of the Chao Phraya River, away from the glass and the steel and the shopping malls. Hope we laid it all out for you and made you want to come down yourself. So thanks for joining us on this little walk, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. Before we go,
Like, subscribe, and comment downstairs.
comment downstairs. And remember, get a little joy in your life. We all need it. We'll catch you on the flippity floppity. Whoa!
Flippity flop.
Flippity flop. We'll catch you there. Peace.